Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a super simple and minimal makeup look, perfect for everyday wear, work, or just when you want to feel put together without doing too much. It's glowy, natural, and takes under 10 minutes. Let's get into it. First things first, skin prep is everything for minimal makeup. I'm starting with a hydrating moisturizer to get that soft base, and of course, SPF to protect the skin. This will make the skin look healthy even under the lightest makeup. I'm using a skin tint today. This is lighter than foundation and just evens out the skin tone without covering too much. You can use your fingers, a brush, or a sponge, whatever you're comfortable with. It should look like your skin, just a little smoother. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Fresh Tint. It's lightweight, glowy, and comes with SPF 50. Shade 5. If you're looking for a quick everyday base, this might just be your new fave. The texture is super creamy and blends really easily with just fingers. Great for no-fuss mornings. It gives sheer to light coverage, just enough to even out the skin tone without hiding your natural texture. I'm using Rhode Lip Balm, or should I say, the viral lip treatment everyone's obsessed with. The texture is thick but not sticky, super cushiony and glossy. You only need a small amount, and it glides on like butter. Next, I'm using Essence Brow Gel. This gel has a small, precise brush, so it's easy to control. I'm just brushing it through my brows, and right away I can see it adding volume and holding the hairs in place. It gives that lifted, fluffy brow effect, without looking crunchy or stiff. I'm using SH2X Cover Concealer by Sulman Hamid Labs, a full coverage concealer. This concealer comes in 15 shades and is currently priced at Rs 350 PKR, down from Rs 2,500 PKR. It's designed to hide imperfections perfectly. I'm applying shade beige under my eyes and on any blemishes. The texture feels creamy and blends seamlessly into the skin. It provides excellent coverage without feeling heavy or cakey. After wearing it for a few hours, I noticed minimal creasing and it held up well throughout the day. For its price point, the SH2X Cover Concealer offers impressive performance. Definitely a great addition to your makeup routine. Have you tried the SH2X Cover Concealer? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'm using liquid blush, glowy, buildable, and totally beginner-friendly. I always apply 1 to 2 small dots of liquid blush on the high points of my cheeks, not too close to the nose. This lifts the face and gives a more youthful, lifted look. Little bit on my nose. Use a damp sponge, brush, or even your fingers to tap it in. Blend upwards toward your temples. Liquid blush melts into the skin, giving a soft, natural finish. No harsh lines, no powdery texture. I'm applying a little bit on my eyes too, because we are not going to use any eyeshadow. The best part? You can build it up for more color or keep it sheer for a minimal look. And if you go overboard, just blend with your foundation brush to tone it down. Before applying mascara, I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm placing the curler right at the base of my lashes. Not on the skin, but super close. Then I gently clamp down and hold for about 5-7 seconds. I'm gently applying a white eyeliner pencil directly on my lower waterline. This cancels out any redness and instantly makes the eyes look more awake. If pure white feels too harsh, try a nude or beige pencil instead. It's more subtle, but still gives that wide-eyed effect. Perfect for natural looks, tired mornings, or doll-like makeup. Brown pencil wing is your new everyday go-to. I'm lining my upper lash line with a brown pencil, keeping it super close to the lashes. Now I'm flicking out a small wing, just following the natural angle of my lower lash line. Soft, subtle, and super easy. Smudge it slightly with a brush or Q-tip for that effortless, smoky winged look. No sharp lines, just soft definition. This is the L'Oreal Air Volume Mascara. It claims mega volume with a light as air feel. I'm starting on one eye, right at the base of my lashes and wiggling the brush up. Right away you can see the volume. It lifts, separates, and thickens without clumps. If you love volume but hate that stiff mascara feeling, this one's a win. Let me know your go-to mascara in the comments. I'm using the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter today, and yes, it's stunning. I'm applying it to the high points of my face, cheekbones, tip of the nose. It gives a soft, buildable glow that melts into the skin. Not glittery, just radiant. Now I'm lining my lips quickly. I'm outlining just outside my natural lip line, especially on the Cupid's bow and bottom center. This gives a soft, plump effect. Brown blends beautifully into any nude or pink lip shade. Brown liner is my ride or die. It works with everything. Try it and tell me your fave combo. This is the Flormar Extreme Matte Lipstick in shade 03, and it's so good for everyday wear. I'm applying it straight from the bullet. The formula glides on like butter but sets to a full matte finish. Shade 03 is that perfect warm nude pink that goes with literally everything. And that's it. A clean, minimal makeup look that feels super lightweight but makes you feel refreshed and radiant. Let me know in the comments if you love this kind of soft glam, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next video. Bye!